So he's looking at the gopis. Oh. So they're saying, what need do we have for any other husbands or relatives who are devoid of their souls because they well, this is good. They say, our husbands and mother-in-laws like Jatila and our sister-in-laws like Kutila, they don't have any souls. Krishna told you should go home and serve your husbands because, and they said, yes, the Shastras say, why are we serving our husbands or why are we serving anyone? It's because he recognized that the Paramatma is in there, and ultimately we're serving the Paramatma and not the covering or the shell of the body that Paramatma is riding in. So what does it mean when we offer obeisances to another devotee or we offer obeisances to a sannyasi? We offer what the Shastras tell us, that we're offering obeisances to the Paramatma, we're respecting the Paramatma within the Jiva. We're offering obeisances. And then the Acharyas have a very nice comment on that. They said, when one respectfully and genuinely offers obeisances or respects to a senior, that means guru. Guru means senior, mother, father, teacher, and spiritual teacher. And there's a Lokik gurus and Lokik gurus. Those gurus that represent the truth of this material world, and those gurus that represent the truth of the spiritual world. So when we offer obeisance, two people offer obeisance. You're respecting me, but actually you're respecting the Paramatma. And I respect you, so I'm respecting the Paramatma. So when the two genuine junior and senior, they offer respects to each other, it says that the Paramatma comes out of the heart, and when it sees this exchange of respect and this exchange of mutual respect for one jiva and one Paramatma to the other, then Vishnu comes out and embraces the two party members and gives them full blessings. So that's why the practice of offering respects to seniors is very endearing to the senior, and it's also very beneficial for both parties. So in traditional Indian culture, the juniors, the children, would come in the morning and bow down at the feet of their fathers and mothers and touch their feet.